everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Rica Mabel, your Airbnb super host. For today's video ay itutour ko kayo dito sa aming to be turned over unit. Ito yung one of our projects here in Makati City. So I'm gonna be showing you around kung ano yung mga exciting and cool features na aming inad at kung ano yung pinaka-itsura ng space na to. Okay, so let's get started! So una, dito sa ating kitchen, as you can see, sobrang sobrang spacious na niya. Ayan. So, dati yung pinaka-kitchen niya is yung sa developer pa ng pinaka-kitchen cabinet set. However, aside sa medyo nagdi-disintegrate na siya, ganyan, is medyo luma na siya tingnan. By the way, yung gusto pala ng client namin for this space is gusto niya maging minimalist space ito. So, minimalist and modern, and at the same time, yung gusto niya yung colors na white, browns, grays, and with a touch of emerald green. So, I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. So, una is ito yung ating pinaka-base cabinet over here. So, as you can see, it's very spacious po. Ayan. And then dito naman is meron tayong drawers. Ganyan. Ayan. Very spacious po siya. And then over here naman is meron tayong pinakalagay ng mga baso over there. And then itong pinaka-overhead cabinet naman natin is actually as is na siya. Basically, ito na po talaga. Meron ng cabinets over here. It's just that nire-laminate namin. Kasi yung old cabinets niya is I think maroon color. And syempre gusto natin i-refresh or bigyan ng facelift yung unit niya. Kaya, ginawa natin siyang white with, brown handle. Ayan. So, another cool feature about this kitchen is meron po tayo dito light. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. So, as you can see, ganito siya pag naka-off. Ayan. Diba? So, if magluluto kayo, ganyan, or if magluluto yung client, ipipindutin niya lang yan. And another cool feature about this is if long press mo siya, is nagdidim siya. O, diba? Ang nice. So, depends na lang din talaga sa pinaka-mood, kung ano yung gusto nyong lighting when you cook. And then, over here naman, is meron tayong lagayan ng mga shoes, slippers, ayan. So, pwede siyang dito ilagay. Another cool thing about this is kuha tayo ng kinuha ko lang shoes ko outside the room. Ayan. So, pwede siyang nakaganyan. O, diba? Or pwede din hindi kasya siya pa ganon. So, pwede siyang nakaganyan. Ayan. And at the same time, madali lang siyang linisan kasi meron siyang gap din in between. So, hindi siya yung talagang mag-hold ng maraming alikabok ng buong mundo. Ayan. And then, this one naman is meron naman tayo ditong shoe rack din. So, this one is another shoe rack. So, by the way, ito pala is shoe rack siya. And then, meron din another shoe rack over here na 2 layers. And then, dito naman is meron din tayong sabitan ng bag and also yung mga decor over here. So, once na paalis na yung aming client, ganyan. So, pwedeng uupo muna siya dito bago siya mag-put on ng shoes niya. Ganyan. Or pwedeng alito din yung shoes na kukunin niya. Ganyan. So, it's very, very nice. And, pwede din dito niya isabit yung bag niya. Ganyan. So, it's so nice. And so, punta naman tayo sa ating this one is actually the living and the dining area. So, itong cabinet na to is existing na din po siya. So, dati siyang color black. So, what we did is nire-laminate lang din namin para magamit pa din. So, kumbaga, hindi siya sasabihin, itatapo na! Ganyan. No, kasi pwede pa po natin i-laminate yan. So, dito is pwedeng lagayan siya ng mga appliances, ganyan. Dito pwedeng ilagay yung ref. And marami pa din tayong storage over here. See? Ayan. May mga items pa dyan sa cabinet. And then over here naman is also a feature that I'm really, really excited about. This one. This spot. Ayan. Kasi, another problem that our client encountered dito sa unit niya is parang kapag naglalaba daw sila, they really have to move yung entire washing machine malapit sa pinaka-CR, tapos mababasa yung sahig, ganyan, tapos tutuyuin pa nila, ganyan. So, it's very, hassle, ganyan. And at the same time, yung pinaka-washing machine nila is syempre, talagang nag-show off. I mean, kitang-kita talaga yung washing machine dun sa living spaces. So, what we did is we wanted to solve that problem for them. So, which is why we created this spot. Ayan. So, itong spot na to, actually, this one is, pwede siyang hamper. Pwedeng dyan ilagay yung mga labahan para after maligo, dito na lang isushoot. And then this one is yung pinaka-ating laundry area. So, paano ba to, Miss Rika? So, ito siya. Once I open mo, ayan, nandyan yung pinaka-washing machine. So, as you can see, meron tayong hole over there. So, dyan dadaan yung tubes or yung piping kapag halimbawa magdi-drain na si washing machine, ganyan. So, dyan siya lalabas. And at the same time, dyan din dadaan yung hose para mag-connect sa washing machine. So, kumbaga, all-in-one na siya. So, inlet and outlet yung dadaan. And then, tatagos siya sa CR. So, pagdating naman natin sa CR dito, ayan, meron din siyang sink, drainage over there. So, once na, magdi-drain na si washing machine, dediretso na yung tubig doon, hindi na mababasa yung flooring natin sa buong CR. Kumbaga, na siya, naka-focus group na siya. Ganon. And then, syempre, Miss Rika, paano yun? Top load yung washing machine nila. Yes, top load ko yung washing machine nila. Kaya, meron po tayong ganito. O, diba? Naka-hydraulics na siya. And meron din tayong pinaka-grommet over here para dyan dadaan yung wire. Para, syempre, pag nag-washing machine sila, seamless lang. Kumbaga, naka-close na yung washing machine dyan, ganyan. Tapos nakasaksak lang siya dito na parang walang nangyayari, di ba? Pero hindi alam ng mga bisita, lingid sa kanilang kaalaman na kasalukuyan pa lang may nilolaundry dito, di ba? It's very nice. Hindi siya halata na laundry area. And then this one naman is utility cabinet and pantry. Ayan. So, pwedeng dito nila ilagay yung mga yung mga laundry items nila, ganyan, yung mga products that they use for laundry. And dito naman, pwede din nilang ilagay yung mga cleaning materials nila. So, very functional yung space. Hindi halata na laundry area. And hindi na din eyesore ang ating washing machine. Yes. So, dito naman, ayan, so dito yung ating pinaka-dining area. And then, dito naman, ang ating pinaka-living area. And then over here, actually, this cabinet, black din talaga siya dati. But, nirelaminate lang din namin para, syempre, magamit pa, diba? Sayang naman. And then, dito naman is meron tayong magnetic track lights. Ayan. So, yung mga track light na yan is, madali lang din siya i-move. And as you can see, na talaga yung space. Kumbaga, very welcoming na yung space because of the track light din. And it added a modern look to the space. And then, ito naman yung ating TV wall. So, it's very, it's very simple. And then, punta naman tayo dito sa ating pinaka-bedroom. So, pagpasok natin dito sa ating pinaka-bedroom area, ito yung makikita nyo. Ayan, meron tayo dyang mirror. So, this one is vanity mirror. Yes. So, para kapag halimbawa magme-makeup, ganyan. So, very very convenient kasi meron din tayong lighting over here. So, talagang hindi na natin kailangan mag-ring light or whatsoever na other vanity table light kasi meron na siyang built-in over here. Then, may space din tayo dito and then may shelves din tayo sa taas for more storage ng ating mga cosmetic items, ganyan, makeup, ganyan. And then, yung pinaka-switch niya is just like sa pinaka-ating kitchen area. So, ayan siya. Meron din tayong watch display dyan kasi mahilig si client sa watch. So, para i-open niya is ipupush lang din niya para ma-open. Oh, diba? It's very cute. It's very cute. Multifunctional yung space. It's not just a vanity area. It's also storage, ganyan. And also, syempre, yung pinaka-showcase ng kanilang watches. So, over here naman, it may look like just a column, but it's actually not a column. It's a cabinet with mirror. So, this is where the client can put their bags and other items. Dito naman is pwede siyang lagayan ng shoes up to the client kung ano yung gusto nilang ilagay. And then, ayan, so we also just reuse their bed. And then, meron din tayo ditong light. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong very spacious cabinets over here. Kasi, what they really wanted to have more storage. So, more storage space. And gusto din nila medyo, syempre, nakaseparate yung item nila parehas. So, meron tayo niyan. So, meron tayo ditong sabitan ng mga damit. And then, meron din tayong drawer here na push to open. O, diba? Ang ganda! I mean, this space is really, really livable. And it's so nice. And I really love how we were able to use the space. And then, another thing din pala dito sa ating pinaka-bed area is meron din tayo ditong saksakan. So, para siya sa mga charge nila ng mga gadgets, ganyan. So, pwedeng-pwede yun dyan. Yes! So, ito yung pinaka-itsura niya. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Actually, sobrang ganda ng lighting dito sa loob. Feeling ko, nasa studio, ganyan. Kasi tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng lighting. Kahit pawis na talaga ako, in actual, hindi siya masyadong halata. And at the same time, napakaganda ng lighting, di ba? Summer kasi ngayon, kaya sobrang humid, sobrang init, lahat na. So, puntahan natin yung CR. Ayan. So, itong ating CR. Ayan. So, ayan. Meron tayong touch of emerald over there. And then, meron din tayo ditong tempered glass na mirror. And then, ayan, meron tayong shower area. And then, meron din tayo ditong pinaka, parang medicine cabinet. Kung saan pwedeng ilagay yung mga personal items nila dyan. And then, meron din tayo ditong pinakasabitan. O, diba? Bonggang-bongga. For this video, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking quick tour nitong to be turned over na unit today. And I hope nag-enjoy naman kayo sa mga napanood nyo. And at the same time, if you want to elevate your space, if you want to create a space that will support the life that you are building, or if you want to upgrade your space that will support the life that you are creating for yourself and for your family, we are here for you at FNF Design and Build. So you can just message me, ayan, sa aming page, FNF Design and Build, or you can also message me directly sa Facebook, Rica Mabel. Ayun. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!